Welcome to Maxability. To unfold different layers of knowledge, stay tuned with us till the end of the video.
What is inclusion? During 2013, I was asked to work from Chennai for a project. I was there for 4 months. All my teammates are from Tamil Nadu. In our informal conversations, my colleagues used to speak in Tamil. Though it was not intentional, I was excluded from the conversations because I don't know Tamil. This is an unconscious exclusion. Have you ever asked your age-old grandparents to stay back from visiting a temple or any other place because there is a long way to walk or too many steps to climb? If the answer is yes, you are not including your family member because of age-related difficulty. By the way, have you ever heard the word inclusion? What is inclusion? Inclusion means respecting and appreciating the values and thoughts of every individual, regardless of their race, age, gender, disability, religious and cultural beliefs. Though we want to include everyone, many times we exclude our family, friends, fellow citizens, and colleagues unknowingly. I too am a victim of unconscious exclusion many times. In order to understand and embrace inclusion, let us identify exclusion and try to avoid it. Few years back, we had to take one of our friends to Aadhaar Correction Center. He is a wheelchair user and the office is in the first floor. There is no ramp or elevator available. My friend is excluded because the infrastructure is not supportive. Let us also talk about our own profession. Day in and day out, we create products, features, and websites. If the functionalities that we create cannot be navigated or operated with keyboard alone, we are excluding people who have visual and motor challenges. If we can solve the problems encountered by every individual in their day-to-day activities, we get a step closer to inclusion. Inclusion can happen with everyone in our life. 15% of world's population live with some form of disability, according to World Health Organization. The inclusion efforts open this major untapped market. Engineer Wayne Westerman, who had carpal tunnel injuries, created a way to interact with computers using a touchpad instead of a keyboard. This technology gained popularity among people who have hand disabilities and repetitive strain injuries. Apple bought this technology from Fingerworks, which led to the touchscreen on Apple phones, the first of this kind. Today, we cannot imagine our life without a touchscreen mobile phone. Inclusion leads to innovation. By providing a ramp for wheelchair users, the problem is solved for pregnant women, people who have arthritis, and patients on stretchers. Inclusion solves unanticipated problems. In the modern society, we have an opportunity to embrace inclusion everywhere. Sometimes the word inclusion is replaced with the word universal. If not inclusive design, you might have heard the concept of universal design, universal learning, inclusive schools, inclusive education, and inclusive banking. Inclusion is just everywhere we live. Inclusive thinking will change the way we see the world. Let us try to identify the unconscious exclusion we do in our lives, try to avoid them, and practice inclusion. Inclusion starts with I. I am going to include everyone around me in everything I do. Are you?
Thank you for watching and being with us. Please like and share the video. Don't forget to click on the bell icon. And also, for more updates, subscribe the channel.